Badwam kase no pay na hana brema kwan na yede nyina sie da sipi so je brehwe ye brana so se wo pie ko onuma hodo so awrade mfa wo confirmra asumdue mu na mom se wo driving point de abakoso ahwe ye so e wo Facebook Adom TV visa fei ena dwumadie no pompon so no aduru so ankasa ye da se mo Facebook nso ye da mase papa ya mu nyina e ma mu nyina kwaba Honorable Benjamin asante da konsu jina na naso aka o mahine asante si bebe na memo akwa
ma jo su na me da wasese wa hu na pie ho na mani nti incoming nti no be da wase
incoming dia
positions ni e dos
nti afa na obese
we na me bo mo dia eti osuze ana ya kasa mo nti de ni peka o shake ejini ma wo se kwa no that's it afa na wo ye adwuma no afa na wo ye adwuma afa na wo ye adwuma no obia be di pepe enye peche obia be di pepe nye peche zana de tie enakwa eye ukwada bebo January ne da etoso edunwotwe meso kwa akomato yem na memfa we ntwam ba wansa na maba ensema mpese me no kaso eyi Ghana card edwumeko no madara ma mesremo esanse baby a obeko bia wodi dwuma bia ene yesi Ghana card ne di dwuma no otwero odia okotwero odia unya card bia enti ade bia wo ye bia no na untimi nkoso enye minim de acd minim se I don't know but Ghana card for somebody in Chiremu biba and ampadu because it's becoming too much for the past 2 months 3 months because I feel about notice omo kwa kwatwero mu dia pre Ghana card de di ma Ghana mrashe sisi eso de saa de ne dance di no saa nkofo ko ni na no omaka adwam
omunya omo card
ne eniho
no na ya asem no eso ba konso card ne gugu
card ne so I don't know but
yeah me sorry say me cut o but me nim ne say e wo say national identification
so mo ni bi dinkomo
omo be kire yemu because obi wo hono mu a e bia te say ye ha ya e bi register wa ha ye nim be bia ha card no akwa akodi te say omo na kire because omo nim centers na mo ma ye ko register te bia say mo ye announcement ka say bia kokomlemle center he o card unya kwa ha na wo sabeka wo ye eso omo kire mu because obi be nante saa obekọ mi wa card no wo ho babanya say print ni nyina agu ho Basa be ya ube hunu se aha na me card wo no
even with that no kwa no you see no say the usika dey end day with no ukuta sa wo yi na wo dey hwehwe wo card na wo ye no wa ha benkum so a obekọ nifa so obekọ na hwe ni wo obekọ benkum za hwe ni wo enzo akọ another matter but new people no mo tro mo din ankasa kura card no munya etu amo mo ni ma bebre na ho just because ehihye ni say efri na ekwe die di dwuma bia no Ghana card Ghana card so yera atefa wadaroma one wo team no wadaroma esese nkyiremu bi timi ba because oni petete nkora ye school registration university for you dodo na say the Ghana card ana ye adwuma and the frustration is showing up it's showing up esremo wadaroma mo hu ye mobo na adwumaku a mo hwese Ghana ni bi o se fata benya Ghana card no mo fa nkyiremu it's better because nkyiremu na ma ehona mpiesi tisi akire ogigi sika wa akire be wi akire na afi akoye nsem bibre
so utua
enti misra
so obi aya no boko
bibia o man bi ade the connection friend
this obi did
isu ya kan obi gi sika e the card name amanfo but the normal process Ghana ni person of firm kono timpen for me madaroma we de monye ntempa na mombra na meyi asutire na bibia ntimi nko kama emfa man
Ghana no kwabna say the way I walk can just say o pe wa de bia na so obi a ne di hu sanka the papers bia me hwe animu be last year mu be pem sa be me kan last year e be tenti am about from like November e be pem eni ade o sanka take me 1 month e se kwabna e da kwabna ni bi so so what musi ye chechere so wanya bi ani ntino anu anso o body politics wade no me wade nso ye hia ade nti yesre sika no mu cheche mo obi anya bi ni se mo je extra na mo nye na obi anya bi ni na nya fine emfa maye na sa sika de mi wo ye tua mo kan so bi entete ho obanya nko ase na ketua oje na yi
na obako abayadwum na krates se odidi juma
mo ye bre too much
krates odidi juma se ni par kwa yi Inti krata no so aka enye adwuma.
Unya.
Over ko baby no. Yes, okanch. Sir? Over 4 hours, 5 hours okanch.
Oh ma, this is the next day.
When we start doing these things, I don't know, minimum how we want to build the country. Unfortunately, you are building around political parties and politicians. If you call lunch from 11:30 12, equals 4 p.m. Now before bag 5 o'clock. How do we develop? How do we develop? How do we develop? Because a brain, yes, a brain ya de kosa, a brain kosa from 20, you can say 92, 93, 94, 95. A brain kwa na kosa. Nyoma, a positive ACC we are seeing and kwa boom. And so Ghana dear.
Me say, Papa Minchuano. And no akwa de some I say a bia disability or more ye be an own person or more de shemu na boa woman at 1992. Abnenrana. Mamma, your friend warrior, 1992, and our year, dear, 2023, I feel and fast and for yes, serious. Even assemblies, hey, you animal, I seen talk about more any pedian and one crown, one seek a crown, was some crowd assemblies in the crown, and also acquire another problem. Yes, I think that as I say a boy home, baby, maybe I make as I say a boy home, ya boy home, you better to call and be a dam or Macoji, see Canada, quite hobia. Na ya bahan misi ya sabet na finim sa and you don't want to change the environment. Say bibia kwa 1992 bapim sa how many years? Na nyoma akomu kra no e bibia che 1992 we dey say I know here 1997 now can't Mr. Every day when we wake up and your Kai will say be a proud Ghanaian, exhibit patriotism and love for your country. Ye nim die nti e kasa. So nim pa se obi a ho hia se amamu a ye bu no obi a ho hia. There are so many things you na ye nti honestly. You be brave or honma, M1 or mine and cranny, you may call intimate tumpo. To say, I near you, and one free sign your man. Difficult, very difficult. And nobody fear of for a moment taking decision, not a boy, and who need for sure, son or the other. Oh, shut down, or the mobi. Toilet and bar for cranny. Now, all the man of Busumi be a 50, 350 cities. Not dinosaurs, a cubic will be a panoca or 10 in 10. That's the mentality. That's the mentality. Be a so, no, careful. And yet, Nibre, and I say, I know, but I say, I did careful. It's a business, Ankasa. A business will be the too much advantage over the system. Too much. Too much advantage. On my way, processes now. You dey check corruption, a brand issue, and your papa ni be that my way, we are worse off of corruption. You shoot me a buy me agreeing in a sika. Sika the animal to the extent say no. Na de bia mekano obia etu anamon bia genuinely krano yes okodi sika no easy of okay it yama sika na be the most important thing now than ye no credi honesty idea ni munyam bebre. That's why everybody bia whether fair or foul means obia the medical obia any opportunity to lead or to be part of a team or to superintend that the first thing they want to dream so obi sika and obepe bibi this car kwoshe. Few people are doing this sacrificial job for Ghana, for companies, and for themselves and their family. And integrity and credibility, no problem. Developing Ghana, no, they be Adameka. It cannot be the responsibility of Minkwao. It can't. TGPRT for womb, now a year or more just for good for womb, academia ni womb, now politicians ni womb. Now the most revered institution, we are so powerful. The media and womb. No more play the needed role, not just the media. They are playing the needed role. It's important. The media has a responsibility. Many of you, you are a kesiye bi wo so. Say a boy who modern bia said the sefata said the American man who kwan. See a be objective, see a be bold. Now if you let me kind. It mo bompa most mo be my because en chofo na yaba no. Do na en twa correct. It is a bomb so but the kai no hu ye mobo na odi ye hu to no so ana fo dodo ba na nkasa dodo so ntwa correct edin say ye nko a se Ghana ni betum pompa o man we mu de ene nka franko ye hoho ana tititwa nko a o man obi asa no pay o titi obi a record no akwaje obi animu nyam. This is the country we are living. I was sure no pay
ni die nyina se obetuto oman hini kwabena santia no na wanyame kr no na se oman kra kokko mu nkomo nyina atimdi beto social media
there's any secret in
say no there are no classified documents and conversations. That's the country we are building and everybody is happy. The standards keep falling. They be America oman a oni hwede bia wo honom no a wo de bibia putogum fie kum la hyehyebisi gwata no wagya gum saa na ebetene saa afa na kobo insuo bim da saa insuo no asa reject e betwa ni no na bubu kura. You have a responsibility. I have a responsibility. We collectively have a responsibility, a positive responsibility to change the fortunes of this country and ourselves and our children and generations yet on. That's our responsibility, a positive one. And then a lot of factors. Amanyosem, enibre, ahoya, ahochre, and no kwane kuyeno, ehia, any ahochre. Ya dwini mu nso aboapayo.
Ehia, ohia.
Ohia. So any ahochre, ya dwini mu nso boapayo adwinibone nkoa. Dwini na nkasa so no pa. Obi egrisi na adwini se be fita no. Ye grisi e den se be tun bone nkoa. Esuma si dwankoa na yepe. Esuma si dwankoa. We do these things not to say obi na had ono no se be attentive, but we have to improve. We have to improve them because 2022 assessor, I call 2023. Why are you careful? Because that's 2022. If you are not careful, because one can say you are not seeing that progress, country progress, human progress, life progress, or my progress. So you might still dream that we are in 2022. Mesre, your standards ni gusua eba form. Mesre, amanyo sema ehuni mfaswa ini nyina so edi ewu. Mesre inkontompo ni nada ni ntwato so ni anibre ni ahoya no ye man too much. Mesre etuwa chese ye de maya man se ye dogana ni ye beboa Ghana ametire gina na so no eyira kora. O so no pa die na abetima ya ma Ghana ama Ghana so etima ko nanim. Bribia da no we do the opposite. Esi ye GBB fan ho. Na Ghana se ba na kwosoko aka na moja nyina asa. What can you do? What are you doing? Not what will you do? We have to action it now. It's the bia meka say Adam Koje Chemante ka say ya yo man kasa bebre anamontu ne ketua bi. Kasa bebre. That's why yes atwa yeah Black Stars be call Africa Cup. Ye nya ho hwe. Ebi no ma hyase Africa teams bi hyase. Omo boabo omo siesie omo bo ni gidigidi. Ye twa aka 2 minutes to full time no. We are all prayer towers of Ghana. Who told you that's how God works? When people are preparing today, we are enjoying with the hope that 2 minutes to full time. No, your players cup now. What be that? What be that? So preparation, even as a country, our preparedness and our readiness to execute jobs decently, void of partisanship, not quite a problem. It's serious. We are turning into a country of beggars and lazy minds and lazy people. What can we say now? We are in this country and people are deliberately lazy. Deliberate. Because throughout that's what a lot of people are doing. There are people who are genuinely also looking for opportunities to work. Genuinely. Omu call left, omu call right, omu want to there, pray, omu ra, omu siya. Genuinely. What are we doing for those people? So you don't sit there and think, oh, the Debbie Adano, who the other first only in this country, and we'll be sure this guy should be bottom. You've not worked for it. A country of ungrateful people. Of my Bonia Mapa Ghana. If the people sacrificing for this country is becoming a problem now. For all sacrificing on my Ghana, the end product is we will be so ungrateful to you. A lot of people want to support this country's cause. But all support you. A child somebody baby. Oko support your charity. Say Ghana ni power to no one chama Ghana ni. Say Ghana juma be koso, Ghana koso, Ghana environment be conducive. Everybody is now relaxing. Obi and the secret talkers AC dying. That's how we do country. A lot of factors go into our dollar and the cedi matter. You ask yourself, say 1992 be say na the public say Ghana for ankasa nyuma sen. Ani yenyina Ghana for yetima boabo ehwa mo nyuma na tima gire omo na so brane. MPT with the world. Standards. We lack it. Standards. Standards. Intimacy. Obi fifa. We do everything possible to cut the person off and then move the alpha away. Now we cry there for away. Obi no so know what in the prayer. Or so him achi born empire. Wona o tie tira out to walk park no no won say empire air force. Onyin ya twonwe. Obi say o se chinchina at that time no bomodi anakobo bia na. Obi say o sika koma na. Move away from it.
Sasa na ya gudu mu ase.
No abranti ya no wo fa nyame djuma.
Sa
no person bomodi asesa bra na nyame gini pankwa. Won are you problem? Are you demonic? Na Christopher do na so hwe na nipa ke cancel mu no. Are you demonic?
Everything
Ghanaian is being cut off. Why?
Bibi papa bi ani.
Why? Esu wo so wo fra bonche ba, of Nigeria ba. Ghana for mo west dem si wo. We can't develop our own.
Hwehwe ani mu kwa. Hwehwe ani mu. E de yen soso ye de. Ye say wo hunu ni pesu aye.
Why?
Dia na question akwabra de bia mbusa se nyame so oboy ni suban sa ne nsaso no. E de na be fa mu anti ye de aye bibi.
Ghanaian. We are cutting it off. Now Obi Kai could say say chicken man was a one. Or shall say all spreading the wings. I'm on for Shasha. Oh, you're back as well. And a young guy, 25 26 years. They say what be a 23 one guy. What could be 11 one guy? That's why sometimes you have vulnerable no. But if you get the right people to handle your life for you, you are prayerful yourself. And you join a team of prayers, sir. Please, untiasia no biki kasa anse muna ebe boarded. Untiasia. Taking God for granted. Untiasia no biki kasa anse muna. You put your trust in human beings. Not only panoji dama to say oda. You are worshiping a God who does not sleep.
Just a bibi papa ntime magana.
I don't get it.
Ya no bibi papa bia.
I don't get it.
Wo ya de na e bo sign. Wo furu no otwo sign. Wo furu otwo sign. Na be ne yakọ yedim.
Mesra mo man develop o man no said yes everybody inclusive me and make say let's develop this country to a point where we think that who say bibia ye adwuma. You know, and here we could talk black white jina ye. Also, no ekosi say obejina wa okika say I'm Pedu just an ordinary producer. Who the hell are you? You know, some people assume positions and they talk anyhow.
Yes.
You call a producer of a show just an ordinary producer. I would say benya manyo sema. Enya manyo sema.
Ne ye kwa he.
Please what's this? We have a certain he be sebi. Na mimi wo ahefa na mo de me ko share ayi bi ma e bi ba wi ase da na. Why? Let's not do this to us. When you too much. Racial for back a crack ministers be any ma fe no ma fine na fo am na bro. On TV. Matthew I radio show. TV so fa cheme. Me appoint you. Yeah, people get positions and all of a sudden. Hey. Onyame se obo bia de seso. And then now di aba. E tina obi di eba, wo so muhwe. Sir? And it's a warning to producers so. Take your job serious and be proud of what you're doing.
Now,
never allow anybody to be down. On who do you mean?
What you may be a we be respect.
Exactly. Because I tell you when to say utu kwa manania.
Now who taxi cry a private waha. The bia na make am for wa moto we yi perfume papa bi go ho. Na nipa no passenger no kura be meet wo be steady. Na we ja wo sa obi akasa ho anyhow. Enti wadwuma bia wo ye bia no living like that. What dress it? Anya Isa. I won't be take you for granted. The will be a somu ye.
Miss Robina, hey, and I won't chair me, dear. I'm going to say Ghana for chairman. I mean, chairman. I'm the idea need dear Maya who say, on my gun and tea, and us from Genia ye, dear Tino. Hey, oh, my chairman, maybe now we are wine. Oh, yeah, wine, now maybe a wine. So, I won't Adom be nano. You confirm my shots because we come down with all your money, your education, your dressing, your car, your buildings. You are not guaranteed of one thing, your life. And your dear, once we know you not share the same fear, what is your problem? And I warn the young men and women, a man yourself and who here. I didn't papa muba. Out the audience and try to strong be your man yourself. How you bebunu utiemia. Woe unto you. Woe.
Very careful.
Woe unto you.
You're very careful.
Because we have allowed this space to roll on after the ABT. Woe unto you.
Obia kasa anyhow. Penny moon cross and young man yourself.
Woe unto you.
Shiano baby, I want to mention it twice. And now man yourself or Becca trash. The no more cassa. Then to the own for any more I hear watching penny for war mu fee. Debbie because of letters. And to be at Tamon home. Hey, Mumianya very careful. Mumianya very careful. Mumianya very careful.
Yeah, point, sir. Megiri and Sir NGO China for mo brand. We cry your who we na be cemetery. Almost kuntia a hospital doctor for na nurse for hwe yeah yare for no hwe bi no ye hwe ye nkwa ye hwe ye nsa ye hwe ye ni ye hwe ye ma
mi mtwa no de na make papa na che say wiase na wo kwa bibiem na do ho ahye rade nsa so ba time first time ma onwo da na wo be ma ne ma me nso one na tie ni enwo be ma da so say be ma ye twa wo mu dua no ni ye twa ye na me twa wi a ring no e wo say na nwume no say uyi efiri ho enti sa e wo ka ho no ma no so ya another problem nurse ni oba no onwo da nurse ni say o edi 3 days a no wa 3 days ni say na ade na wu a chenchene na ade no ho enti hwe yes akra ne be ma no
asema be fie
enti awrade ni yesre no say ye bibia woni kan
we e bayi we e bayi
ye oni kan we yanim che say negligent kakra bi na ekosi bibi
so
we say ye wo bi ana akra ne be ma no a obanyini no de be se ne maame amon ho ban say ya I think
I've just seen this story and I think say ombenya ho achina you have to bring them on for them to really speak to some of these matters. Patients be on my choir hospitals be doctor for the next one be fashion. And I know doctor nurse for you know you did say and papa be akọ can say anything. Everybody has a responsibility. Yeah, you know you care not because a choir nurse for binum the doctor for binum be fashion. I said before a doctor will call me yamu twa me bu faso afa na nano da ne party okọ yada no one ne nam fo di na me mete ho wo dey
wo anu ano no normal
why o 3x4 be wo woni kakra dia o jo na mo kekem na wa goodness fo hu nim tia na oni na se ne wan kwa yam ko ne wan se no ye sa munu da mo ye patience bibira ya idin enne e enya ku a ebe tu sa na mo na ma doctor fo binu ni nurse in the midst of all this you are nurse for na doctor fo bia adwuma mo ye the board the profession in this country no e bro adwene ti ase
pa o ma yi wo mo yem
yem fancy ha asam na biase na me adoma koto papers nyina ebi kenkan na mo zunya sika na mo fa nkoso ra ne mo adwuma